Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
I'm good.
What about you?
Nice.
Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil.
Oh, you from Brazil?
Yes.
Okay, great. So you're living in Neymar's country. Neymar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Neymar.
Do you love Neymar?
Yes. No, see.
Okay, you never
E.
see him
And
in face to face.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, no need to worry. It's okay. You know, many Neymar's fan are available in Bangladesh.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Many Bangladeshis
Nice.
support Brazil and they love Neymar too much.
Neymar is very popular on the world, I think.
Yeah. He is a famous football player. Obviously, he
Yes.
is well known to everyone, especially Bangladesh. You
Yes.
know.
Yes. And he is so young.
Yeah, he is
And
so young. FIFA World Cup was started. We put Brazilian flag. When start match, we usually put hang flag, Brazilian flag on
yeah.
top of the building.
Yes. In Brazil, the soccer is very important, and the kids start so young.
It is very important for Brazil.
Yes.
Actually, Brazil is known for only football. Only for
Yes.
football, soccer.
Yeah. Many kids wanted this because
Because of money. Because of money.
yeah.
Yeah. If the children of Brazil are willing to be a footballer, it will be beneficial for them because it makes more money than as usual.
Yes.
You know, footballer like Messi, Neymar, Ronaldo, very famous and very rich,
Yes.
very demandable.
I don't think to watch.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan also watching football, but I saw some clips only.
Football is very popular too, my country.
Actually, I know football as a football and soccer. Two name, soccer and football.
Yeah. Yes, exactly.
I always try to play football, but I am not a professional.
Really?
I love play,
Oh, good.
and also I love Messi, Ronaldo, Neymar.
Yes.
Cristiano Ronaldo recently created YouTube channel.
Oh, yes.
Very fast growing subscribers. If I talk about Indian and Bangladesh area, we know usually Ronaldo, Neymar and Messi very much.
Oh, yes. I think Ronaldo Gaúcho and Ronaldinho is the best.
Messi came to Bangladesh around 20 years ago. We wish to come
Yes.
Brazil, I mean the team of Brazil in
Yes.
Bangladesh. We wanna celebrate with Brazil. Do you want to? This is Brazil. This yellow color is Brazil. Yellow side.
Yes.
Brazil.
Right. Yeah.
Brasilia.
Brasilia, do you know?
This is the capital of Brasilia.
Yes, it's right. Do you know to say some words in Portuguese? Do you know we speak Portuguese?
No, I don't know actually. I don't know.
Everybody think here in Brazil we speak in Spanish, but no, we speak in Portuguese.
Okay. I will learn Portuguese.
You can say hello in Portuguese. Olá,
Hola.
olá,
Hola. Soy.
olá. It's hello. And you can say how are you? Is tudo bem?
Tudo bem?
Tudo bem? Yes.
Tudo
How are
bem.
you?
Okay, great.
Tudo bem. Yes. And you can say thank you, obrigado.
Obrigado.
Yes.
Obrigado.
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 Wait.